so we're here at the ponds, and it's pouring, or it's raining actually. And when it rains, the fish take shelter under these logs. I don't know, we have like 30 fish in here. I don't know how they fit under all these couple of logs here. Yeah, the pond, there's no flow. Which is the main source. The pond is not up to the dam anymore, so at least we have like a little bit of groundwater coming in. Like Eric's looking for worms. But luckily the stream that comes into this pond is flowing, so it's filling up this pond, and our resource pipe is gonna flow soon. Eric, get out of the riverbed. What are you trying to do? Alright, let's see if a fish will eat it when they're all sheltered up. Yep. Yeah. 2 bluegill went for it. Uh-oh. This is basically rainwater. No, it's going through. Oh, you're gonna feed it? Wait! Oh, it's getting bright out again. Did you feed it? Oh, did something eat it?
No, I'm trying to.
Look where he dropped it. Oh, but Hog is. Oh, yeah, a big guy ate it. That's his name, Hog, because he hogs up all our food. Well, let's see if the emergency or the resource pipe flows. See if the pond gets any higher. This is what it looks like now after the rain. Not much change. And the fish came out from hibernation. Now let's give them a warm. Woo! Oh, he missed. Oh, there we go. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.